In the mid-1990s, Clem McDonald, Bill Tierney, Mark Overhage, and other faculty here were trying to get local health organizations to contribute their data into a single repository. That repository was the INPC, or the Indiana Network for Patient Care. We're one of the most largest health information exchanges in the country. That's a huge resource for Regenstrief and IU School of Medicine for performing research on a large scale. The high-level view of the INPC OMOP project is taking the data from Indiana Health Information Exchange, which has been collecting data for persons in Indiana for many decades, and taking that data that's in a proprietary format and converting it to what's called the OMOP CDM, which is a common data model standard. Converting this data to a standard gives a unique data warehouse that can easily be shared with other partners here on the IU School of Medicine campus, as well as external collaborations without a lot of wrangling of this data.
There's a place called Odyssey that kind of came up with database tables that said, this is our person table. So everything that you have on a person, we need to work on fitting it into this table. The main thing that they give us that is invaluable is it gives us the mapping. A lot of my work goes through and says, we have these drugs or we have these procedures from IU. What can those map to in OMOP that are like standard concepts? Once we get everything mapped to their standard concepts, again, it's easier because you're looking all at the same drugs, you're looking all at the same procedures. OMOP is across the world, it's in many different countries. We can join with somebody in Pittsburgh or anywhere, and we can feed our data into a database combined with all these other places. They can look and do studies across a whole lot more people. There's not always a way to say, I want to study everybody's medical data in X state. In Indiana, we're lucky because we have iHigh and we can do that. But this is kind of taking another step for us to add our data into a bigger pot that people can look at and draw conclusions from.